Hey, what's going on? It's Roger. So I just kind of wanted to give an update on some of my die-cast collecting. As you know, my son and I collect Japanese cars. I'm also a huge Matchbox fan because I just loved that they kept a lot of cars more realistic. Anyways, these have been out for months besides the FJ Cruiser, but the main three right here have been out for a while, and I've searched high and low in my area, and of course my area is horrible because we got collectors and people that are they buy all the they go there and they know the schedules and they just grab everything, and so it makes someone that's casual like me, um it makes it difficult. But I was super happy to find these, and like I said, it's been months, and I was on the verge of paying Facebook prices. People are asking like $5 for each of these plus shipping. That's how desperate I was. I had to go get a COVID swap in another county, and I went that way, and I saw a Target, and on the way back, I was like, let me, it's lunchtime, let me go there real quick and take a look. And I was super excited just to get these three. So these are, I believe, 2001 releases. So of course, Subaru Forester in that olive green. I'm a huge Subaru fan, so obviously when this came out, I really wanted to get it. All right, another one that I was kind of blown away that they actually released was a Toyota Hilux pickup. Um, yeah, when I saw this, I couldn't believe it when I saw it online, and I searched high and low for it. Um, and the other one is the Honda E. And again, these are cars that I only saw online, and I was like, I just gotta have them. But the detail on them is pretty cool. And the fourth one, I went to the usual Walmart near my area. Usually it's already picked, but I went there. This was behind a lot of stuff, like on the shelf, below the pegs, and this probably fell down there when some guy was searching for stuff. And I was like, it's an FJ Cruiser, and these again are, from what I understand, are first time models. So, or first time castings. So I was super excited about that. And like I said, I'm one of these guys that just wants to have, you know, one of these. I don't need 10 of them and all the variations unless I like the variation for whatever reason. But yeah, I got my Matchboxes. I finally got them.